Dude, where are we?
We are at Noble, something that starts with an N.
No, it starts with a K. We're at Noble Knob. Let's try that again. Where are we?
Noble Knob.
Noble Knob. All right. Have you ever heard of this before?
This place?
Yeah.
I only heard of it just this morning.
Yeah, I looked it up. It seemed like an alright hike to try today. It's supposed to be kind of flat. Should be on the easier side for us.
And I look like an absolute American because I got a shirt on with an American flag, and then I've got an American flag on my short.
That's right. Never forget. All right. About 2 or 3 minutes in, and a view of the surrounding valley. It starts out pretty much just walking a spine here along the top. The drive up here, you gain quite a bit of altitude. So a good portion of the ascent is handled by the vehicle. Not bad for a lazy day. Hey Miles, what do you know about these trees?
Most of them are black and most of them are fallen.
Yeah, what does that mean?
Alright, someone obviously cut down that one.
Okay,
And
what
that
about,
one.
why are these trees black?
Because they're old.
How about they were damaged in a fire?
Okay, maybe that.
Maybe. Look at the bases of all these trees down here. Yeah, it smells like fire too. So there's a bunch of wildfires raging around Washington right now, and I don't know how recent this one is, but it doesn't look like it's that old. Looks like it was recently burned.
Terrible here.
That's all right. It has an outdoorsy smell. The fires raging at various points around Washington have the views obscured by smoke, haze. It'll be very hazy, so whenever we do get to the peak, I bet the view's not going to be as pretty as we'd like it to be.
Supposed to be some sort of rock formation.
Right. Hey, Miles, tell this bee to leave me alone, man.
Hey, BB, please leave next
No,
to
talk to him in that buzz language. And we're back to a burn-affected area here. About 21 minutes in. Miles, look at this. Look at all the damage done down here.
Wow.
Once again, the boy is not impressed. Incline here is about starting to pick up. Roughly 50 minutes into this thing. And a few minutes later, we're still climbing. Hopefully that's a good thing. I haven't seen any signs marking any splits or indicating we're going the wrong way. Alright, we're just about an hour in, and if I'm not mistaken, off in the distance there is the knob we're looking for. Let's see if I can get in. I do believe that is it.
That looks like about another half a mile away from here.
Hell, I don't know, maybe a little more than that. But you see that you see that big rock that's poking up, kind of like a chimney?
Yeah.
I think that's where we're going. All right, and just past that view of what I believe Noble Knob to be, we got a down sign here, and this is facing away from the knob. So, and we're coming into what would be an expansive view of the valley, if not for the haze from the fires. And you can definitely smell it when you're this close to it. You smell that smoke in the air. Miles, you smell that smoke in the air?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like I was right. Found the knob off there in the distance, and there's a nice straight path to it. So, if Miles is done,
Out of the video.
if Miles is done lollygagging, let's get moving. And indeed, it shouldn't be that long. This doesn't look like it's going to be that long. Miles says this part tends to remind him of Kelly Butte. And I agree. It does have a Kelly Butte quality to it. This expanse over the valley, these particular switchbacks, does kind of look similar. But we are almost to the knob here. We got a little overlook of a lake. Looks very pretty. And there it is straight ahead. Yep.
Get scared to death.
Wow, dude. This is awesome. Be careful, dude.
Hurry up. Pretty sure if Mom was on this hike, she wouldn't let me do this.
Yeah. You might be right about that.
Look at Mount Rainier and take away all of that smoke, and you have like the best view in the world.
How do you know that's Rainier?
Because I can tell, because I can see by how big the mountain is, because I know Mount Rainier goes all the way over there to over there, and then the fog just colors up the
I don't think that's Rainier. We had our snack and we enjoyed our time playing around up here on the peak, but it's time to go home. What do you think?
What? You're gonna get poisoned if that's not a blueberry.
You think I'm gonna get poisoned? I just ate a suspicious berry. Miles is convinced that this is gonna be my last days on Earth.
Oh.
You gonna try one?
Does it taste good?
It tastes alright.
Is it poisonous?
Hope not.
I'll carry it with me. I'll save it for the outro.
No. You can eat it or what?
I'll just hold it in my hand. At the time of the outro, if I see that you haven't been poisoned, then I'll eat this.
That's, the boy loves his dad. Miles couldn't wait until the end. He decided to go ahead and eat the berry. He asked me how I was feeling first. How's the berry?
Feels good.
All right. Let's see the hands. Miles carried that berry for so long, the juice is all over him. All right. Let's go. How was the hike?
It was good. I do recommend this hike for kids.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, how hard was it?
It's a pretty easy hike.
Yeah.
Pretty
Yeah,
easy.
it really isn't that hard. It's pretty level. I mean, it's usually fluctuating, up and down, undulating. There are only probably about 2 or 3 steep parts. It's really pretty manageable. 5 miles takes you up to about 6,000 feet at the peak, up there at the knob. It's really not that bad. Getting out here is not that bad. The road's not too rough. Most cars, I think, would be able to do it.
My dad forgot the Ender Dragon.
I did forget the Ender Dragon. So I'll have to give up my Father of the Year trophy. All right, you said you'd recommend this hike for other kids?
Yeah.
All right.
What do you mean Father of the Year trophy?
Well, I forgot the Ender Dragon. I'm not going to be Father of the Year, I think. I'm hungry and I need a shower. So, what do you think? You ready to go home?
Yeah, let's see if we can go to Dickens.
Yeah, we're out.
If the berry was poisonous, it's some sort of poison that's gonna escape when you poop or pee.
Stuff these kids see on YouTube.